Hello friends, good afternoon. Today we are looking here the false color for the urban study analysis in QGIS. So today we are applying here the Landsat data for the finding the urbanized study area. So let's we do the practical. So before the I request to you, do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. It is called the Do It New, and also press the bell icon so I continuously provide you the updation about the QGIS, ArcGIS, IRADAS, NV, all remote sensing applications and other technology. So let's we do the practical sessions here. We are adding here three bands: shortwave infrared band number 2, shortwave infrared band 1, and red band. It is a called in Landsat 8 satellite data. So in between having the shortwave infrared is a band number 7, shortwave infrared 1 is a band number 6, and red band is a band number 4 in Landsat data. So we combining this data in QGIS and we got the result like this. So we do the practical. Just open that your QGIS environment and just go to add that band. So already I was discuss on that the band number 7, 6 and 4. So just we call band number 7, band number 6 and band number 4. So we are adding three bands in our QGIS environment. Open other bands we are not required, just selecting here the band wavelength. You can also look here the central band wavelength, multi factors band wavelength, and the additive factors. Number of options are available here. So wavelength unit which are providing by the Landsat satellite. Just close this. You can look here the exact environment, how you can look the grayscale image. So now we just add three band. Just go here, band number 7 dash 6 dash 4. So already I discussed all this. You can got the result. We are going here, you can look here the band number 3, band number 7, 3, 6 and 4. So we just close these three. Just this is a virtual band just running by combination of three band. You can look here urbanized area are exploring by three band combinations. So I just explore more layer styling, go to there, just extract the some saturations on there, reduce the brightness. So you can easily find out the urbanized area. You can easily find out the roads, buildings and constructed area. So these band combinations also provide the natural radiation, while also the penetrating atmospheric particles, smoking and haze. Vegetations appearing is a shade of dark and light green. During the growing season, urban features are white, grey, cyan and purple sand. You can look here. We go purple the sand on road area. So sand, soil and minerals appear in a variety of colors. The almost complete absorption of the mid infrared band in water, ice and snow provide a well defined coastal line and highlight the source of water. You can see here coastal highlight the source of water. So of the with the image snow, ice appear also dark blue. You can see here the water and snow also dark blue. We go on the top of here, this is snow. is a black or a dark blue hot surface such as the forest fire and volcano uh, caldera saturations and the mid infrared band and appear in the shades of the red yellow or on a particular application for these combinations. Monitoring forest fire, flood area should look very dark blue and black. So by these three band combinations we easily find out the uh, like a natural likes of the pediatric atmospheric particles, smokes and haze and vegetation appears in shade of the dark and light green during the growing seasons. So it is useful to study of the different varieties. So hope you enjoy in this practical sessions. So do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Just combination of three bands. So thank you guys. We will meet on the next tutorials on QGIS.